In this video, I'm going to give you a quick and honest review of the YNAB app, also known as You Need a Budget. If you're looking for a budgeting app that helps you take control of every dollar, save more, and get ahead financially, this one might be on your radar. But, is YNAB really worth the cost, and how does it compare to other budgeting tools out there? Stick around because I'll break down the key features, what I like, what I don't, and who I think this app is best for. Let's start with what makes YNAB different. YNAB is not just a budget tracker, it's a budgeting method. The idea is to give every dollar a job. When you get paid, you assign every dollar to a category, like rent, groceries, savings, or fun. So you're telling your money where to go, instead of wondering where it went. YNAB also encourages you to plan ahead, so you're not just covering this month's bills, but starting to set aside money for future expenses like car repairs, holidays, or emergencies. The app helps you build what they call aging your money, which means using money you earned last month to pay for this month's expenses, a way to break the paycheck-to-paycheck cycle. Another thing I really like about YNAB is how flexible it is. If you overspend in one category, you can easily move money from another category to cover it. No guilt, no stress. The app connects with your bank account so it can pull in transactions automatically, but you can also enter expenses manually if you prefer. The interface is clean and simple, and YNAB has a ton of helpful guides, videos, and even free workshops to help you learn how to budget better. Now let's talk about the downsides. The biggest one is the price. YNAB costs about $14.99 per month or $99 per year as of 2025. That's more expensive than free apps like Mint, and it might feel like a lot if you're just starting out with budgeting. Also, YNAB takes a bit of time to set up and learn. It's not as hands-off as some other apps. You'll need to spend time assigning your dollars and keeping your budget updated, though many people find this time well worth it. So who is YNAB best for? I think it's perfect for people who want to be very intentional with their money, whether you're trying to pay off debt, save for something big, or simply stop living paycheck to paycheck. If you're ready to be hands-on with your budget and want an app that teaches you how to manage your money better, YNAB is a great choice. Let me know in the comments if you've tried YNAB or are considering switching to it. If this review helped you out, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on more honest reviews like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.